ever wondered what would happen if you committed to doing 100 glute bridges every single day? Whether you're looking to tone your lower body, improve your posture, or just spice up your fitness routine, this challenge can bring some surprising changes to your body. In today's video, we're diving deep into the benefits, transformations, and potential pitfalls of this daily fitness habit. Stick around till the end because I'll also share tips to maximize your results and make this routine work for you. Let's jump in. Before we talk about what happens when you do 100 glute bridges a day, let's break down the exercise itself. A glute bridge is a bodyweight exercise that primarily targets your glute muscles, the largest and strongest muscles in your body. To perform a glute bridge, you start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor, positioned hip-width apart. Your arms should rest at your sides with your palms facing down. From this starting position, press through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Slowly lower your hips back down to the starting position. It might seem simple, but don't underestimate its power to transform your body and enhance your overall strength. Let's start with the most obvious benefit: stronger and more sculpted glutes. Your gluteal muscles, including the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus, are the main players here. Doing 100 glute bridges every day will build strength, giving you a solid foundation for almost every movement you do, from walking and running to squatting and jumping. Over time, this daily habit can lead to a more lifted and defined booty, especially if combined with proper nutrition and hydration. Many of us have weak or inactive glutes due to long hours of sitting, which can cause muscle imbalances and even pain. Daily activation through glute bridges can correct these imbalances, making your glutes stronger and more functional. Did you know that glute bridges don't just target your glutes? Your core muscles play a significant stabilizing role during the movement. As you lift your hips, your abs, obliques, and lower back muscles engage to keep your body stable. This engagement strengthens your core over time, making activities like bending, lifting, and twisting safer and easier. A stronger core also improves your posture by promoting better spinal alignment and reduces your risk of lower back pain by supporting your lumbar spine. This is especially important if you spend a lot of time sitting or if you've struggled with back issues in the past. Speaking of posture, this is a huge one. If you're someone who spends hours hunched over a desk, glute bridges can work wonders. By strengthening your glutes and opening up your hip flexors, this exercise helps correct anterior pelvic tilt, a common postural issue caused by weak glutes and tight hip flexors. When your pelvis is properly aligned, it reduces strain on your lower back, which often compensates when your glutes aren't doing their job. Over time, this can lead to a taller, more confident stance and fewer aches and pains associated with poor posture. For those of you who are athletes or simply enjoy staying active, strong glutes are the powerhouse behind many sports and activities. Whether you're running, sprinting, jumping, or lifting, your glutes are the muscles that propel you forward and upward. Daily glute bridges can improve your athletic performance by enhancing the power and stability of your posterior chain. This means better speed and endurance for runners, higher jumps for athletes, and improved stability and balance for activities like yoga and skiing. Stronger glutes also help prevent injuries by supporting your hips and knees during dynamic movements. Now, let's talk about calories and metabolism. While glute bridges aren't the most intense calorie-burning exercise, consistently activating large muscle groups like the glutes can have a positive effect on your metabolism. Building muscle increases your resting metabolic rate, meaning you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Adding 100 glute bridges to your daily routine contributes to extra calorie burn over time, which can support weight management goals. Although you won't see major weight loss from this exercise alone, it's a great addition to a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. If you've ever experienced lower back pain, weak or inactive glutes might be to blame. Glute bridges strengthen your posterior chain, reducing the strain on your lower back. By improving hip mobility and activating your core muscles, this exercise provides extra support for your lumbar spine, alleviating pain and discomfort. This is particularly beneficial if you spend long hours sitting, as sedentary habits can lead to tight hip flexors and weak glutes that put additional pressure on your lower back. Incorporating glute bridges into your routine can help reverse these effects and promote long-term spinal health. Tight hips are another common issue that glute bridges can address. This exercise stretches your hip flexors while strengthening your glutes, creating a perfect balance that enhances your hip mobility and flexibility. Improved hip mobility means a greater range of motion, making everyday movements like climbing stairs or bending over easier and more comfortable. Additionally, better flexibility reduces stiffness after long periods of sitting and enhances your performance in other exercises like squats, lunges, and deadlifts. Over time, you'll notice a significant improvement in your overall mobility and comfort during physical activity. Taking on a daily fitness challenge doesn't just strengthen your body, it's a win for your mind too. Committing to 100 glute bridges daily builds discipline and mental toughness, creating a sense of accomplishment as you see progress. Establishing a habit of daily movement can also spill over into other healthy behaviors, like eating better, staying hydrated, or getting enough sleep. The consistency and focus required for this challenge can boost your confidence and motivate you to tackle other goals in your life. Of course, no exercise is perfect if done incorrectly or excessively. It's important to be mindful of potential pitfalls when committing to this routine. Doing 100 glute bridges every day might lead to muscle fatigue or strain if you're not careful. Listen to your body and take rest days if needed to avoid overuse injuries. Improper form, such as arching your lower back or failing to engage your core, can lead to discomfort or even injury. Focus on proper alignment and controlled movements to ensure you're targeting the right muscles and protecting your joints. Over time, your muscles may adapt to the exercise, leading to a plateau in results. To keep progressing, consider adding resistance with a dumbbell, barbell, or resistance band, or try advanced variations like single-leg glute bridges or elevated glute bridges. To get the most out of your daily glute bridge routine, it's essential to incorporate a few key practices. Start with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. Focus on engaging your core and squeezing your glutes at the top of the movement to maximize activation. Finish each session with stretches for your glutes and hip flexors to prevent tightness and improve flexibility. These small adjustments can make a big difference in the effectiveness of your routine. So, what happens when you do 100 glute bridges every day? To sum it up, you'll strengthen and tone your glutes, core, and lower body while improving your posture, hip mobility, and athletic performance. You'll feel more stable, confident, and energized as you build strength and develop a consistent fitness habit. With proper form and consistency, you'll unlock new levels of fitness and discipline that benefit not just your body but your mind as well. However, remember that results vary based on your starting point, overall fitness level, and lifestyle. Pair this challenge with a balanced diet, proper hydration, and other exercises for a well-rounded routine. If you're inspired to try this out, grab a mat, set a goal, and start bridging your way to stronger glutes and a healthier you. Let me know in the comments if you've done this challenge or if you're planning to start. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and challenges. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.